So now coming lecture number 2. I have explained about solid lubrication. So it is a process by which a liquid change into solid. Now the porous particles in a liquid are loosely packed and are able to slide over each other. We have already taught you that in a solid particles are tightly packed, but in a liquid particles are loosely packed and able to slide over. When a liquid is cooled, the particles lose energy. The loss of energy decreases the motion of the what? Particles. When you will heat, okay, when a liquid is cooled, the particles lose energy. When you will cool liquid particle, then what? Particle will lose energy, and this will increase. This loss in energy decrease the motion of the particles. So when a liquid is cooled to a certain temperature, the particles come very close to each other, and the interparticle force of attraction increases. What happens in solid? When at high temperature, after giving heating, that particles gets break down. And what happens in liquid? When it is cooled, they lose their energy and they decrease the motion, and that's whatever the particles are there, they combine, and it is due to the interparticle force of interaction. The particles when close to one another arrange themselves in a regular pattern. At this point, the liquid starts changing into a solid state. After cooling, after losing energy, there is decrease in the motion, and due to the interparticle force of attraction, all particles of liquid join, and after some time, after some point, that all liquid particle after cooling they join in a fixed pattern, then we can say that it change into a solid state. So the temperature at which a liquid change into solid, the temperature at which a liquid change into a solid, it's called its freezing point. Example is solidification of ghee. One example is the solidification of ghee. Now we move to next topic, that is vaporization. Okay, now come to vaporization. So it is the process by which a liquid change into a gas. Vaporization, it is the process by which a liquid change into a gas. So it is a process by which a liquid change into a what? Gas. Now it can happen by boiling or evaporation. When you will boil some water, water vapor will rise and it will change into a gas. And next one is evaporation. Evaporation means to say when heat of the sun falls on the water, but that whatever water droplets are there, that evaporate into the air and it is in the form of water vapor. Okay, so it can happen by boiling or evaporation. Okay. Next, in boiling, a liquid is heated. On heating, the particle On heating, the particles start moving fast and overcome the interparticle force of attraction. At this point, the particles break free and move out. So this is called the, so the temperature at which a liquid change in the temperature at which a liquid change into a gas, which means liquid change, a liquid changes into a gas is called its boiling point. Means when you will heat the water, after some times that water particle will start moving faster and the force of interparticle force of attraction. At this point, particles will break free and they will move out. That this experiment you can do at your home also. You can easily get how this liquid will change into a water vapor. Next, in evaporation, a liquid change into a gaseous temperature below the boiling point. Okay, in this in this boiling we have to increase the heat. What in evaporation it is a change when it change into a gas at temperature it will be below the boiling point. This is because some particle on the surface of the liquid have sufficient energy to break free from the rest of the liquid particle. Example, the drying of a puddle. If you have seen a puddle, when it dries, okay, it gives a what? It gives a water vapor. And next topic I will go for condensation. So condensation is the process by which gas change into its liquid in form of cooling. It is 65. Condensation. It is the process by which a gas change into its liquid form. It is a process. It is the process by which a liquid change, a gas changes into a liquid form on cooling. So example are the particle in a gas are very loosely packed. We know already particles of gas are very loosely packed and they can move freely. And when the gas are filled in any container, it takes all the spaces. So when matter is cooled, the particles lose the energy. The loss of energy decreases the motion of particle and bring them closer in each other. The interparticle force of attraction increases. At this point, the gas starts changing into a liquid. Example of formation of dew drops on a cold winter night. Okay, example is formation of a dew drops on a cold winter at night. Okay, when what happens in this, when this is here, when liquid gas gets cold, when gas gets cold, you can do this experiment in your home also, but in the presence of adult. You just if you have a pressure cooker, after pressure cooker when you will see, when you just do boil the water. After boiling the water, whatever the lid is there, okay, other plate, when you will see on the lid, whatever water vapor rises up, when it goes up, it is stuck on the lid, and when you will see on that lid, in that lid you will find some water droplets, and that shows that by when the gas cools down, it changes into a liquid. One more example is there on dew drops of cold winter, and it happens due to the that particles in a gas are very loosely packed. So when matter is cold, they lose their energy. when in the loss of energy, it decreases the motion of particles. Okay, when there is loss in energy, it decreases the motion of particle, and whatever the particles are there, they come closer, and it is due to the interparticle force of attraction. Here we can say gas changes into a liquid. Till here I am stopping. In next class I will go for expansion and contraction of this chapter. So for now, goodbye to all of you.